Again, pause the video now and try these problems on your own. When you're ready, you can continue the video and you can see how I will solve these problems. Alright? Alright, and we're going to solve for these. Oh, I see parentheses. So that means I gotta use the distributive property. We're going to take 2 and we are going to multiply to the 5 and we're going to multiply to the n. Alright? 2 times 5 is 10. We've distributed the 5 and we took care of the 5, so we're going to cross it out. This tells us that we got to take care of the n. 2 times n, or 2 times negative n, is negative 2n. Now we're going to bring down the equal sign, bring down the 6 plus 6n. We have variables on both sides. We got to figure out which side we want our variables to be on. Well, I see there's a negative 2n right here. Looks like we can bring that over. So what is the reverse operation of subtracting 2n? You're right, it's adding 2n. So we're going to add 2n to both sides. Yeah. Like working with this Mobi view. We bring down 10. Negative 2n and positive 2n cancels out. Bring down the equal sign. Okay. You see how we line up the variables with the variables? Okay, and the constant with the constant, just keeping our equation looking neatly like that. It helps us with solving our equations if we have things organized. Bring down the 6. 6n plus 2n, that is positive 8n. Next, we are going to circle our variable, our term with the variable. That's the last thing that we want to take care of. And let's say, oh, you know what I forgot to do? And I'm going to erase this. I forgot to highlight the sign. Okay. Now let's get rid of the 6. It's positive 6. So that's saying finding the reverse operation of adding 6, which is subtracting 6. Okay. 10 minus 6, that is 4, equals the 6 minus 6, that cancels out, leaving us with 8n. Now we're almost done. We are going to circle or box our n, and we're going to find the reverse operation of multiplying by 8. Well, that's really easy. That is dividing by 8. Oh, I think I'm getting my colors mixed up. Alright, well, 8 over 8, that's simplified as 1n. So I'm running out of room, so I'm going to write up here, n equals 4 divided by 8. Let's not use the calculators. Let's see if we can simplify this fraction. What number goes into both 4 and 8? Right, 4 goes into 4 and 8. So 4 divided by 4, that's 1. Over 8 divided by 4, that is 2. So our solution is n is equals to 1/2. Alright? Alright, let's look at the second one. Oh boy, we have 2 sets of parentheses. Okay. I'm going to erase the work up here so we have some room. Alright, so let's use the distributive property. We're going to take the negative 4, we're going to multiply to the p, and multiply to the 2. Okay? Negative 4 times p, that's negative 4p. Negative 4 times 2, that's negative 8. Bring down plus 8. Bring down equal sign. 2 times p, that's 2p. 2 times negative 1, that's negative 2. Bring down the minus 7p. Bring down the plus 15. Alright, there's some like terms here. Let's see if we can combine like terms. The negative 8 and the positive 8, they're opposite, so their sum is going to equal to 0, so we can just cancel those out. Here, well, let's say we have 2p and we have negative 7p. Remember to include the sign that's in front of it. Alright, so what is that? 2p and negative 7p is negative 5p. And then we have negative 2 and positive 15. Well, that is positive 13. On the left side is just our lonely negative 4p. Alright? Now we have variables on both sides. Let's figure out which variable we're going to bring over. Well, we could bring the negative 4p over, but if we do that, 0 will be on the left side, and that won't do us any good. So let's bring the negative 5p over. Well, the reverse operation of subtracting 5p is adding 5p. Add 5p here. Simplify. Negative 4p plus 5p, that's just 1p, or just p. Bring down the equal sign. These two cancel out, leaving us with 13. So p equals 13 is the solution to our equation. Whew, that was a long one. If you did this, or you realize your errors, great job. Okay? We'll see each other again in the next video.